The baby bird, look, bird's nest, and now the baby birds, they come out, they're already big. Ayan na. The baby birds, so cuties. I think it's Maya. That's the name of this. Cutie birds, bird. Wow. In the calamansi tree. It's wonderful, so beautiful. They're bigger now. They're ready to fly, to spread their wings.